Welcome to another episode of WPM Reviews. Today, I am going to review this random keyboard I saw on store shelves. This is the ProHT Mechanical Keyboard with blue switches. ARM runs to be exact. ProHT is a sub-company of Inland, a company that is known to make budget keyboards and mice. Let's see how this $49.99 keyboard stacks up against the rest. Welcome to the unboxing of a ProHT Mechanical Keyboard with blue switches. In the front of this box, the icons on the bottom left corner indicates that this keyboard has Outemu Blue switches, nice choice, and key rollover, and laser etch letters on the keycaps. On the back of this box, there is a diagram with all the key combinations that this keyboard has. Also, viewers, unless your keyboard is explicitly waterproof, please keep your keyboards away from water. Alright, let's open it up, shall we? It looks like with a flick of this tab, this box will magically open up and reveal the keyboard. And with a little bit of assistance, this keyboard will magically unwrap itself and reveal the goods. Alright, this is a pretty plain looking keyboard. Very generic looking. Doesn't look like it has that many features. Very clicky, as expected of blue switches. And I don't know if you could see it in this lighting, but you can see the indicators going up like it's a step or a bunch of steps. ProHT is by Inland, which produces very generic looking budget keyboards. So I wouldn't be surprised if this keyboard's design specifically is being used for a lot of different white labeling keyboards from different companies. And in the back of this keyboard, you could see that it has a wire guide, which is nice. You have one in the center and one on each side. You just route your wire through without causing a mess. And two stands. It's just on or off. This keyboard has the standard 104 keys, very standard font, so definitely no surprises there. The F1 through F8 keys, along with the insert and delete keys, are the special function combination keys. F1 through F7 are your standard media keys. F1 is for starting your music app, F2 is for last track, F3 next track, F4 is play pause, F5 is mute, F6 is decrease volume, F7 is increase volume, and the F8 key toggles whether you could enable your Windows key or not. This is a nice gesture for a budget keyboard, as this is only seen in more expensive gaming keyboards. Then again, this keyboard does provide N key rollover on your delete key and a 6 key rollover toggle on the insert key, which is awesome all around. As stated earlier, the indicators on the top right forms a staircase. There is an extra indicator with a G, which I can only assume stands for gaming mode, and is toggled by the F8 key. That's pretty cool, as they include an indicator to tell you whether your Windows key is activatable or not. Alright, this is a typing test for this ProHT Mechanical Keyboard. Let's see what it could do. $146, not bad. Made a ton of mistakes, mainly because you probably heard it, but Omron keys are super crispy. That threw me off a little bit. This is the first time I'm attempting to type on this keyboard, and I haven't touched it before, so that surprised me. You've just seen the power of the ProHT Mechanical Keyboard. It's definitely not a bad keyboard, but it lacks programmable keys, wrist rests, and only comes in a blue flavor. However, it does provide a game mode and end key rollover, which is all very good for its price point. It looks like a very generic keyboard and seems perfect for regular office use. Don't get me wrong, it's an awesome gaming keyboard as well, but it lacks customization and exuberant aesthetics that a majority of gamers want. It definitely gets a bonus points for its sturdiness, which is why I give it a 5 out of 10 in the keyboard defense rating. See you next time.